Bad AI logos? The problem isn't AI, it's your prompt. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how one prompt change at a time turns a bad logo into a professional one. A prompt is simply how you talk to AI, your instructions. If your instructions are vague, the results are vague. If your instructions are specific, the results become reliable, clear, and usable. Stage 1. The weak prompt. We only say, make a gym logo. What happens? You get a generic, boring mark. Why? Because we gave no direction on style, colors, message, or constraints. Stage 2. We add style and color. Create a minimal black and white gym logo. Now the output already looks cleaner and simpler. What changed? We told the AI how it should look, minimal, and which palette to use, black and white. Rule number 1. Always specify style and color. Stage 3. Add symbol and message. Design a minimal black silhouette gym logo featuring a flexed arm forming a heart. Now the logo isn't just a shape, it tells a story, strength and health. This is where your brand meaning appears. Rule number 2. Tell the AI the concept and emotion you want. Stage 4. Add quality rules and constraints so the result is production ready. A minimalistic black silhouette logo featuring a stylized muscular arm flexing, seamlessly forming the shape of a heart or a check mark. The design conveys strength, fitness, and vitality while maintaining a clean, modern, bold aesthetic. Monochrome on a light background, flat vector, no gradients, no text, balanced negative space, centered composition, recognizable at favicon size. Now the logo looks professional and consistent. Why this works? We set strict boundaries, flat vector, no gradients, no text, and we defined usability. It must be clear even at 32 × 32. Rule number 3. Add constraints and quality criteria so the AI can't drift. Optional but powerful. Tell the AI the use case and output. For example, deliver as a clean SVG, black on white, suitable for app icons and business cards. This makes export and real-world usage easier. Recap. 1. Style plus color. 2. Symbol plus message. 3. Constraints plus quality. 4. Output plus use case. Each step adds clarity. Each step improves the result. Prompt writing is like ordering pizza. If you say, "Give me pizza," you'll get anything. If you say large pepperoni, thin crust, no mushrooms, you get exactly what you want.